Hello students, welcome in online lecture of 10th Mathematics First. Student, we had started Mathematics First topic number 2, quadratic equation. In last video, we had seen what is the quadratic equation. We had seen how the quadratic equation is verified. How to find the given equation is quadratic equation or not from its degree. Its degree is 2, then it is quadratic equation. Also, we had seen what is the standard form of quadratic equation. That is, general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And we had seen the example based on finding quadratic equation and writing standard form. That is examples in practice set 2.1. One more concept we had seen, that is root of the quadratic equation. Whether the given value of the variable satisfies the equation or not. If it satisfies the given equation, then it is root of that quadratic equation. These are three concepts you had learned in the earlier video. Now we will see how to factorize this quadratic equation. There are different types to factorize this quadratic equation, means finding solution of quadratic equation. We will see one by one all these types. Okay, students, you recall how to factorize any given equation. Suppose this is the equation x plus 3 is equal to 5. How we calculate this? We take value of x as 5 minus 3. That is x is equal to 2. Okay, we had learned in the earlier standard. Also see, if there is m upon 5 is equal to minus 7, then we write minus 7 into 5. That is, m is equal to minus plus minus 7 5s are 35. Okay, you had learned this linear equation in one variable. You had learned in the 8th standard. But what is about the quadratic equation? So see, you had learned all this formulae. A plus b bracket square expansion, a square plus 2ab plus b square, then a minus b bracket square expansion, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Also you had seen a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now students see, suppose this is the example 2m square minus 3m. This is quadratic equation or not? See, observe, this is the equation. Here we factorize this. See, by factorization, what is the factor here? M is common here. So what remains? 2m minus 3. So factors are here m and 2m minus 3. In such a way, we had seen how to factorize any given equation. Now, how to factorize this quadratic equation? Solution of quadratic equation. We will see first method by factorization method. So let's start. See some examples. Solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. We have to make factors of that quadratic equation. See, I have given first example. Factorize 3y square is equal to 15y. So here degree is 3y square minus 15y is equal to 0. Here what is the common? 3 is common and y is common. So what remains? Y minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 3y is equal to 0, or you can write y minus 5 is equal to 0. So we get, see what we get here, y is equal to 0 0 and here y is equal to 5. So these are the two solutions of this quadratic equation. Similarly here, see, you can write this as 25m square. Take m into 9 here, minus 9 is equal to 0. You write this as 5m bracket square minus 3 square is equal to 0. So it is of the form, see, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So right here a and here it is b. A plus b means 5m plus 3 and 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, if the product of two terms is 0, then at least one of them is 0 or both are 0. So you write 5m plus 3 is equal to 0 or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Or here we get m is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, in this way we can complete it. See, these are two examples of different kinds. Here only common term is there. It is of the form, see, it is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now see, this is quadratic trinomial, m square minus 14m plus 13. So how to factorize this? We have learned 13 into 1 is 13. We have to make factors of 13 such that its addition is middle. बघा असं फॅक्टर पडायचं त्यांची ॲडिशन इथं साइन व्हायचं. ॲडिशन मिडल टर्ममध्ये यायला पाहिजे. मग 13 चे कोणते फॅक्टर पडतात ज्यांची ॲडिशन 14 येते? 13 वजा 13. If there is plus sign, then give minus minus to each. So we get m square and plus 13 as it is. Okay. So what is this? Minus 14m. You can write this as minus 13m and minus 1m. So take common here. M is common. M minus 13. And here minus 1 is common. M minus 13. Therefore, you get m minus 13 and m minus 1 as its factor. Okay? Understand? Now, students, we will see some examples in practice set 2.2. See what is given in question number 1. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. We have to solve quadratic equation by factorization method. I give here question number 1, first example and fourth example is given. See, x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. We have to factorize this. This is the third term. You write this third term 54. We have to make factor of 54 such that its addition is 15. Addition 15 असे 54 चे काय फॅक्टर पडतात बघा. 54 चे फॅक्टर काय काय पडतात? We can write 2 2 जा 4, 2 7 जा, 3 9 जा and 3 3 जा. We have to find its addition is 15. 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9. See here addition is 15. So what is the factor? 9 6 जा 54. If there is addition sign, then give same sign to both these factors. And if there is subtraction sign, then give opposite sign to these two. Plus च्या दोघांना सेम साइन द्या आणि मायनस च्या दोघांना अपोजिट साइन द्यायचं. प्लस च्या दोघांना सेम साइन द्यायचं. कुठलं साइन द्यायचं? मिडलचं. मिडल साइन काय आहे? मायनस. So give minus sign to both. If middle sign is plus, then give plus sign to both. Check whether our sign is correct or not. Minus minus plus 9 5 are 54 and minus 9 and minus 6 is minus 15. So here you write as x square and this 54 as it is. We convert this as minus 9x and minus 6x. Now you take group. So here in this group common is x. So what remains? X minus 9. Here minus 6 is common. X minus. Why? Because here plus means minus minus. So minus is taken common. So remains minus. 6 9s are 54 is equal to 0. So again x minus 4, x minus 9 is common. X minus 9 into remaining x minus 6 is equal to 0. If product is 0, then one of them is 0. Therefore, you take x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, you take x is equal to 9 and here x is equal to 6. Okay, understand? Similarly, see second example. Here first step you take 5m square. Take this on the LHS minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. If there is common, take common. There is no common term. So here see 5m square. Take it in minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. 15 5s are minus 15 5s are 75. We have to make factors of 75 such that its subtraction becomes 22. So what are the factors of 75? You see 25 into 3, 15 into 5, then again 3 into this factor is okay. These are the factors of 75. Also you can write 75 into 1. So we want subtraction. See this sign. Subtraction is 22. Whose subtraction is 22? Here this is 25 into 3. So you write here 5m square minus 15 as it is. So what? Now give opposite sign. Minus चं काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला? Opposite sign द्यायचं. मग कुणाला प्लस आणि कुणाला मायनस द्यायचं? मिडल साइन वर ठरवायचं. मिडल साइन जिचा आहे ना क्रेडिट नंबरला द्यायचं. ओके, प्लस असताना दोघांना सेम साइन. सेम साइन म्हणजे काय? प्लस प्लस किंवा मायनस मायनस. मिडल जी साइन आहे ती दोघांना द्यायचं आणि मायनस म्हणजे काय? दोघांना अपोजिट साइन. मिडल जी साइन आहे ती ग्रेटर नंबरला द्यायचं, स्मॉलर नंबरला रिमेनिंग द्यायचं. सो वी गेट minus 25m plus 3m. Now take common. What is common here? 5m is common. So what remains? M minus 5 5s are 25. Plus here 3 is common. M minus 5 is equal to 0. So we get m minus 5 and 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Product is 0. So you write m minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. We get m is equal to 5 and here 5m is equal to minus 3. Therefore we get m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Okay, understand? See students, next example. In question number first, fifth example, 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Here you multiply first by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So what happens? See here, this is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. You multiply with 2. Here also you multiply with 2. Okay. So here 2 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4x square minus 2 2s are 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is the quadratic equation in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now you factorize this. 4 1s are 4. We have to make factors of 4 so that its addition is 4. That is 2 2s are 4. If plus is sign, then give same sign to both. Middle sign is minus. So we get 4x square, this plus 1 as it is. Minus 4x you can write x, minus 2x, minus 2x. So what is common here? 4 and 2. Common is 2. X square and x common is x. So what remains? 2 2s are 4. X minus 1. And here no is common, so we take minus 1 common. 2x. See, you write plus as minus minus. So minus 1 is common, minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 1 is common and remaining 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we get x is equal to half. And here also x is equal to 1 and here multiply get divided. Okay, understand? Similarly, 6(1)(c) in the sixth example, here denominator is x, so you multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by x. So what happens? 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. You multiply here by x. Okay. So we get 6x into x. 6x square. X get cancelled. Minus 2 is equal to x. Therefore we get 6x square. Take this x as minus 2 is equal to 0. So what happens? See, 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now factorize 6 to the 12. Minus sign is there. So we have to find factor of 12 so that its subtraction is 1. So what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 12 1s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. But we want whose subtraction is 1. Here nothing is there means 1. Okay. So we get the factors 4 3s are 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. Here minus sign is there, so take minus and here plus. So we get 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now take grouping. We get C from 6x square and 4x. What is the common? 2x. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 2s are 4. And here no is common, that is 1 is common. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we get 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 2 upon 3. And here 2x is equal to 1 means x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. These are the two solutions of this quadratic equation. See students, in question number 1, 7th example is given activity based. Activity type it is given. You solve 7 and 8. In these two examples there is root sign is given. So see how to find. See, you multiply this. What is 5 root 2 into root 2? That is what 5 into root 2 into root 2? That is plus 10. We have to make the factors of plus 10 such that its addition is 7. So what is the factor? 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 is 7. Understand this step? See, you multiply 5 root 2 into root 2. 5 as it is, root 2 into root 2, root 4. Root 4 means 2. 5 2s are 10. Here plus sign is there, therefore I write here plus sign. We have to make factors of 10 so that its addition is 7. 5 2s are 10. Plus sign is there, so give same sign to both. That is middle sign, plus plus. Okay. So write first root 2x square as it is and plus 5 root 2 as it is equal to 0. 7x we can write as 5x plus 2x. Now take grouping. See here, what is the common here? X. What remains? Root 2x plus 5 plus, what is common here? You can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. Okay. So 2x आणि 5 root 2 यामध्ये काय कॉमन दिसते की तुम्हाला ऑब्झर्वेशन नाही. पण जर मी 2 root 2 into root 2 असली तर यातून काय कॉमन दिसते बघा, root 2 कॉमन दिसतं का? म्हणजे आपण हे 2 ला कसं करायचं एक्सप्लेन, root 2 into root 2 करायचं. म्हणजे यातून काय कॉमन मिळेल आपल्याला? root 2. ओके. So what remains? Root 2x. Root 2 is common, so remains 5 is equal to 0. Now these two brackets are same. Therefore, root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, you write root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. And here x is equal to minus root 2. These are the two final answer. Okay. रूट आहे म्हणून काही घाबरायची गरज नाही आहे, सोपं आहे पण. सिमिलरली हियर 3 into 2. 3 into 2 that is plus 6. We have to make factors of 6 so that its addition is 2 root 6. बघा आता 6 ची काय फॅक्टर पडते, ज्यांचे ऍडिशन काय यायला पाहिजे आपल्याला 2 root 6 यायला पाहिजे. असं 6 चे फॅक्टर पडायचे. मग आपण 6 कसं लिहू शकतो बघा, we can write 6 as root 6 into root 6 लिहू शकता का बघा. ओके, we write 6 as root 6 into root 6. 6 into 6 36 square root, that is 6. Okay, first we write 6 as root 6 into root 6. Why? Because I want its addition is 2 root 6. So here I write root 6 into root 6. 6 see, root 6 into root 6 6. So here we write 1 root 6 and 1 root 6. See, 1 root 6 plus 1 root 6, 2 root 6 is there and minus sign plus the दोघांना same sign, middle sign minus दिलेलं आहे. स्टेप कशी तरीका बघा ही. ओके, 3 2 जा 6. 6 चे फॅक्टर काय पाहिजे, ज्यांची ऍडिशन 2 root 6 यायला पाहिजे. ज्यांची ऍडिशन काय यायला पाहिजे 2 root 6. म्हणून मी काय केलं root 6 दिलं. मग ऍडिशन 2 पाहिजे म्हणजे 1 plus 1 होते. म्हणून मी काय लिहिलंय 1 root 6 1 root 6 प्लस दोघांना सेम साइन देतोय, मिडल साइन मायनस मायनस. ओके, नाउ राइट फर्स्ट दिस 3x square as it is and here plus 2 as it is. We write minus 2 root 6 as minus 1 root 6x minus 1 root 6x. Take group. What is common here? See, before grouping you further simplify. I here simplify, you write 3 as root 3 into root 3 x square minus you write root 6 as root 3 into root 2x. Okay, then next here minus you write root 6 as root 3 into root 2x plus you write 2 as root 2 into root 2 is equal to 0. See, we write 3x square as root 3 into root 3x square. You write root 6 as root 3 into root 2x. Then root 6 as root 3 into root 2x and 2x. See, okay, understand? Now take common here from these and these. You take common. What is common from here? Root 3 is common and x is common. So what remains? Root 3x common. Root 3x minus root 2. And here what is common? Root 2 is common. Minus root 2 you take common. So what remains? Root 3x plus means minus minus. Minus root 2 is equal to 0. So we get root common is root 3x minus root 2 and another bracket root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, you write root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, you get root 3x is equal to root 2. X is equal to root 2 upon root 3. And here root 3x is equal to root 2. Therefore, x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. So, the solutions of this are x is equal to root 2 upon root 3 and x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. Okay, understand these both types of example. So, students, in exercise you had given 12 example. Here I had solved you some examples in practice set 2.2. Remaining examples you solve yourself. Okay, so students, in this video we had seen what is the factorization, that is how to factorize quadratic equation. One of the method of solving quadratic equation, that is factorization method, solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. We had seen some of the examples of practice set 2.2. So your today's homework is solve practice set 2.2 in your notebook. Okay, we will see the next factorization method in the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you.